Today, I'll show you how to enable the out-of-office message in Salesforce. Whether you're gearing up for a vacation or stepping away for a short break, setting up an out-of-office message ensures that your clients and colleagues are aware of your absence and know when to expect your return. This feature is crucial for maintaining clear communication and managing expectations. To get started, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your user photo, give it a click. This simple action will open up a drop-down menu. At the very top of this menu, you'll see your name. Click on it to navigate to your profile page. This profile page is your personal hub, where you can manage various aspects of your Salesforce account. Now, on the right side of your profile banner, you'll spot the Out of Office button. Click this button to take the next step in setting up your message. You'll notice an option labeled Set Out of Office. Check this box to activate the feature. This step is key to ensuring that your message is displayed during your absence. Next, it's time to define the duration of your out-of-office message. You'll do this by selecting your start date and end date. These dates determine the exact period during which your message will be active. Make sure to choose dates that align with your plans so your contacts are accurately informed. With the dates set, you can now craft your custom away message. Look for the text box provided and type in your message. This is your chance to communicate any important information, such as an alternative contact during your absence or when you'll be available again. A clear and concise message can go a long way in ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Once you're satisfied with your message, it's time to save your settings. Simply click the Save button. This final step confirms your out-of-office message and dates, making them active for the specified period. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled your out-of-office message in Salesforce. By following these steps, you've ensured that your communication remains seamless even when you're not actively present. Remember to update your message and dates anytime your plans change to keep your contacts informed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Enjoy your time away and rest easy knowing your out-of-office message is taking care of things while you're gone.